Hey everybody, trying to get comfortable here. I'm going to do our normal story with Miss Page tomorrow, but today is Dr. Seuss's birthday, and I have two absolutely books that I love, and I'm going to read them this week to you. I have to find the other one. I think it's over in the library. But I want to know, I'm going to ask a question at the end. There's going to be two of them about Storytime with Miss Page. So I'm going to read to you Oh, the Places You'll Go by Dr. Seuss. Now, this is a hardback book, so the cover is very hard. You can hear it. On the back, there's nothing back there. You know, some books do have that little blurb. I actually have my students sign the book for me. And so this is my first year in 2017. This was 2018. Unfortunately, I did not get last year's students to sign this because of the pandemic. So they're going to sign it sometime this year. And you will sign this book this year also. This is a title page, and it tells me it's made by Random House. And here is the copyright page with all the information about it. This book was published in 1990, but it was originally published in... It doesn't say. Oh my good gollies. Let's read Miss Page's favorite book. One of them. Congratulations! Today is your day. You're off to great places. You're off and away. There's our little guy going off. Or maybe it's a little girl. You have brains in your head. You have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. You're on your own, and you know what you know, and you are the guy or gal who'll decide where to go. You'll look up and down streets, look 'em over with care. About some you will say, I don't care to go there. With your head full of brains and your shoes full of feet, you're so smart to go down any not-so-good street. And you may not find any you'll want to go down. In that case, of course, you'll head straight out of town. Yeah, I don't know if I want to meet up with that guy either. Smart kiddo, smart kiddo. I keep forgetting these pages are so sticky or thick. It's opener there in the wide open air. Out there things can happen, and frequently do, to people as brainy and footy as you. And when things start to happen, don't worry. Don't stew. Just go right along. You'll start happening too. I think I'd love to have a tent follow me around to keep me shady when I'm outside in the sun. Oh, the places you'll go! You'll be on your way up. You'll be seeing great sights. You'll join the high flyers who soar to high heights. There we go. You won't lag behind because you'll have the speed. You'll pass the whole gang, and soon you'll take the lead. Wherever you fly, you'll be the best of the best. Wherever you go, you will top all the rest. See, there you go. You're flying high, my friends. Except when you don't, because sometimes you won't. I'm sorry to say so, but sadly it's true. that bang-ups and hang-ups can happen to you. You can get all hung up in a prickly perch, and your gang will fly on. You'll be left in a lurch. You'll come down from the lurch with an unpleasant bump. And then the chances are then you'll be in a slump. And when you're in a slump, you're not in much fun. And unslumping yourself is not easily done. You'll come to a place where the streets are not marked. Some of the windows are lighted, but mostly they're dark. A place you could sprain both your elbow and your chin. Do you dare stay out, or do you dare go in? How much can you lose? How much can you win? And if you go in, should you turn left or right? Or right and 3/4? Or maybe not quite. Or go around, back, and sneak in from behind. Simple it's not, I'm afraid you'll find, but a mind maker upper to make up his mind, or her mind. You can get so confused, and then you'll start into a race. Down long wiggled roads at a breaknecking pace, and grind on for miles across weirdish wild space, headed, I fear, toward a place, a most unusual, useless place, the waiting place. For people just waiting for a train to go, or a bus to come, or a plane to go, or a phone to ring, or the snow to snow, no, Miss Page, or waiting around for a yes or a no, or waiting for their hair to grow. Everyone is just waiting. Waiting for a fish to bite, or waiting for wind to fly a kite, or waiting around for Friday night, or waiting perhaps for their Uncle Jake, or a pot to boil, or a better break, or a string of pearls, or a pair of pants, or a wig with curls, or just another chance. Everyone is just waiting. No, that's not for you. Somehow you'll escape all that waiting and staying. You'll find the bright places where boom bands are playing. See, we're going places, my friends. We're not going to wait. With banners flip-flapping, one more you'll ride high, ready for anything under the sky. Be ready because you are that kind of guy or gal. Yes, I take liberty. Oh, the places you'll go! There is fun to be done. There are points to be scored. There are games to be won. And the magical things you can do with that ball will make you the winningest winner of all. Fame! You'll be famous as famous can be, with the whole wide world watching you on TV. Well, Miss Page can safely say this was not her thing. I'm not a basketball or ball player of any sort. Maybe you are. Except when they don't, because sometimes they won't. I'm afraid that sometimes you'll play lonely games too. Games you can't win because you'll play against you. My friends, that's saying that sometimes it's you that's causing yourself not to do something. Oh, did I show you that picture? Forgot. All alone, whether you like it or not. Alone will be something. You'll be quite a lot. And when you're alone, there's a very good chance you'll meet things that scare you right out of your pants. There'll be some down the road between hither and yon that can scare you so much you won't want to go on. But go on you will go, though the weather be foul. On you will go through your enemy's prowl. On you will go, though hack and cracks howl. Onward up many a frightening creek. Though your arms may get sore and your sneakers may leak. That must be the hack and cracks. On and on you will hike, and I know you will hike far, and face up to your problems, whatever they are. You can take him down, folks. It's yours. You will get mixed up, of course, as you already know. You'll get mixed up with many strange birds as you go. To be so sure when you step, step with care and great tact. And remember that life's a great balancing act. Just never forget to be dexterous and deft. And never mix up your right foot with your left. And you will succeed. Yes, you will indeed. 98 3/4% guaranteed. Kid, you will move mountains. So, be your name Buxbaum or Bixby or Bray or Mordecai Alley Van Allen O'Shea. Today you are off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way. Because, oh, the places you will go. I get a little emotional when I read this book because it tells me about you guys have a future ahead of you. A great future. Now, here's my question. What does your future hold? What do you want to be? Where are you going to go when you get older? Maybe in 2 weeks. Who knows? Also, second question. Instead of those plain big books that Miss Page reads, which I will read, would you like me to read you some more of my favorite books? You see how emotional I get with them. Would you like me to read you a few more of my favorite books? Oh, the places